Hi there, good morning, guys. I hope that you're doing well. I feel really good as well. I was really excited for Friday to come because I wanted to show you a really nice coding website I found. Its name is CodeCombat. Let's take a look. So the first thing that we're going to try is to open a window in our preferred web browser. So then we're going to type in our search bar CodeCombat. As it loads, you will find something like this. So what is basically CodeCombat? CodeCombat is an educational video game for learning software programming concepts and languages. We're going to be learning to type code in languages such as JavaScript and Python. We have been practicing with JavaScript in code.org, but we have been using, let's say, a much beginner way, which is the blockly programming, when we were supposed to click and drag different blocks. But this time we're going to be typing the real commands behind that. So let's take a look. When you have this site, you're going to click on sign up because we don't have an account yet. We are going to create one now. And then we're going to click right here, sign up as student. You're going to enter your class code, which is this one, FOTS left power. As you enter your class code, you will see that you will be identified as one of my students. And then you're going to click on continue. For this step, you're going to need an email address. If you don't have one, I will upload PDF where you're going to find an email account that the school created for you. If you already have one, a personal one, you may try. If, for example, you have a Google account, you just may click on right here, sign in with Google, and automatically you will skip this step. But if you don't, follow me. First name, Joe, last name initial, V. Then I'm going to try this email account, Joe, 12, there you are. My username, Joe V12, let's say. Username is the name that your character will be holding in the game. And then your password. Please make sure that you don't forget your password. Otherwise, you will need to email me, and then you will need for me to email you back with the password, and that's some kind of waste of time. So let's create our account then. I'm not saving that now. What? Then you're supposed to choose your character, your hero in this case. So I will choose this one. And then I will scroll down and click on next. Right here I have my username and my email address. Please write this down. You don't want to forget and lose it anyway. So start playing. While it loads, my connection is running slow right now. So in this time you will have the chance to actually type in as a real developer do. So right here you have your home page, and we're going to click on start. The same thing, guys. You're going to be given different instructions. The first few lessons, you are going to have tutorials teaching you how to do different things. But then later on, you're on your own. And as we move on, the complexity of this will get really heavy. So let's take a look at the first lesson that we have. Right here, you're given the instruction right away. So grab the gem and escape the dungeon, right? But don't run into anything else. In this level, you learn basic movement for your hero. So let's click on play. Dun, dun, dun. Avoid the spikes and collect the gem. You don't need to know any programming to start playing CodeCombat, but you do already. Loading up. Anyway, if you don't remember the commands, there are some hints that you will find over here. So right on the right, you're going to have the instruction. So what are we supposed to do in this case? Guide your hero by writing a program with code. Write code in the editor on the right and click Run. The same way, when you're ready to run, click on Run. When you're ready, your hero will read it and follow your instruction. The same way, when you code, you're giving the computer instructions. So right here, you're in charge that those instructions are really clear and the computer can perform it. So let's start our level. Start level. There we are. So on this side, we have our editor. Right here, we're supposed to type in the different command lines to get our hero moving. So type a move down command on line 6. Move out, I'm supposed hero, move down. Right here, you have different suggestions, so you don't have to write the whole thing down. And then I click on run. I see that I'm still missing another step. So hero again, move where? To the right this time. Then I will click on run. Very well, we just completed our first one. If you take a look right here, you will see that we can restart the lesson here. We can toggle between on and off sound effects and music. We can expand our screen. We can zoom in or zoom out. When we're done, we click on done and we move on to our next one. All right? So complete level, dungeon picker. Levels complete 1 out of 18. So coming up next, you're supposed to watch a video that will help you out to complete the remaining levels that we have. Basic syntax. This is basically how you're going to be um, writing the different commands. In my case, for the sake of not making this video any longer, I will click on skip, but you're supposed to watch it. So yet again, we're supposed to avoid the spikes and collect the gems. The later levels become more challenging as you level up. That is the thing. All right, so let's see. So what can we try this time? Start level. Start level, please. There you are. Right. So move right. I'm supposed to move right. Avoid the spikes and collect the gems. So I'm moving right. Now, hero, move right. If you, for example, write something wrong here, it will give you a hint, an alert. So be cautious. So if I click on run, where I get now? I move twice right. So let's say that I want to move up now. Hero, move up. And then I want to move 2 times. Hero, move left. Hero, move left. Then I'm moving hero how many times? 5. Hero, move down so I can collect the remaining 3. Hero, move down. Hero, move. Now later on you're going to learn ways where you are not going to write that many lines. But we're just beginning. We're supposed to take the long way. So let's click on run to see if we can make it happen this time. Okay, move up, move left. Oh, since that I don't need that many left, so let me delete this one. That's what we call debugging, finding mistakes and fixing them. So let's try again. we made it. When you're done, click on done. Then you're going to continue that way with the next one. Right, guys? That will do it for today. I hope that you get the more that you get to complete the more levels that you can today. You can try this whenever you want. I will keep track of your progress through my account, my teacher account. So if you need any help, just email me and I will answer back. That will do it for today. I hope that you enjoyed and see you later.